Good morning, dear students, and also welcome in our DSS online classes. Today, we are going to start once again chapter 5 reading third video. Okay, this is the reading video, and this is the third reading video of this chapter 5. And today's topic is topic title bar. You will see a blue bar on the top of the window called the title bar and three buttons on the right side of it. Using these buttons, this window can be made bigger, smaller, or closed as required. Required means need. Need means आवश्यकता. Next point, maximize button. This is the symbol of maximize button. This is the symbol of maximize button. When you click on the maximize button, the window will get maximized to full screen. Full screen मतलब जितना बड़ा स्क्रीन होता है उतना बड़ा. We have to follow this activity third. To maximize the window, first step we follow. Click on the maximize button. This is look like this, and after that the window will get maximized to cover the full screen. Full screen मतलब over the screen. Full screen, complete screen. Restore down button. Restore down button. This is the symbol of restore down button. The restore down button will be displayed only when the window is maximized. It will restore the window to the previous size from which it was maximized. We have to follow activity 4. To restore down the window, we follow some step. Point number 1. Click on the restore down button. This is the restore down button. You have to just click and the window will become of the size from which it was maximized. Your window will be restored. Okay. This is the vice versa. Maximize button or restore down button is the vice versa, and here from here you can maximize the window, and here you can minimize the window, restore the window. So we have to just move next page. Minimize button. When you click on the minimize button, the window will shrink. The window will shrink. Shrink means draw back, वापस जाना. The window will shrink to a rectangular. Rectangular मतलब four-sided button on the taskbar. Since it is not closed, you can easily make it active by clicking on it. Follow the example. You are working in the Windows operating system and have opened three windows. First is, in the first window you have opened a letter. Okay. Second, in the second window you have to open a drawing. And third, in the third window some cartoon movie is being played. Now if you want to watch the movie, you can minimize, shrink the first two windows. Activity 5. To minimize the window, first point. Click on the minimize button. This is the minimize button. The window will shrink and get minimized to rectangular button on the taskbar. This is the location of the bottom position of your monitor screen, and here your minimize window will be appear. If you are much more window open already, you can just minimize, and after that you can just play with your current window. Now next topic, preview the minimize window. Preview. How to preview the minimize window? When you move your mouse pointer to a minimize window button on taskbar, a small picture appear that show you a mini version. Mini version means tiny. Tiny मतलब छोटा. Of the corresponding means keep in touch window. This preview is also called a thumbnail. Thumbnail means respectfully. Now next point, restoring back the window. To restore a minimized window, make it show up again on the desktop. Click its taskbar button. Remember, click on show desktop button to minimize all open windows at once. Okay. Now move the next page. Now close button. When you click on the close button, the window will close. Close means बंद होना. Scroll bars. Scroll bar lets you scroll the component of the window to see information that is currently out of view. Currently मतलब presently, present time में. Suggestion. Since students already know how to work with the mouse, they should be told that a window can be resized. Resized means alter, increase or decrease in height or width. Height means top, width means thickness, by dragging it from its border. Border means portion or partition. Okay. Moving a window. Moving a window is an easy task, and you might need to shift the open window to see the content underneath. Underneath means covered. Let us see how to move the window. Activity 6. To move the window, follow the given step. First, bring the pointer to the title bar of the window. Firstly, you have to go bring the pointer to the title bar. Title bar located at the top position of your monitor screen. And after that, second step, drag the window to the new location. Release the mouse button and the window will be placed at the new location. Okay. Checkpoint. Draw lines to match sentences with the correct buttons bar. To maximize the window, click here. Where click? Maximize the window. Here. To close the here. To minimize the window. Here. To move the window, hold from here. Just here click and move anywhere on your screen. Quick quiz. Name all buttons present on title bar of a window. Minimize button, close button, maximize button, save, undo, and your title names also. Okay. Revision time. First point. The operating system arranges and manages your files on the disk so file you can get to them easily and quickly. Quickly means तेजी से मिल जाती है फाइल. Second point, the Windows operating system provide a GUI, graphical user interface. Graphical मतलब picture, that uses graphics or picture to help the user navigate. Navigate means guidance within the computer system. Next point, icons are small size images that represent programs, graphics, document or other elements. Next point, my computer icon is used to show the content. Content means element inside your computer. Next, when you delete a file, it goes to the recycle bin. From there, it can be restored back or permanently deleted as required. A title is your computer work is stored on a disk with the name. Folders keep files organized. Organized means managing. This is the project time. I will give a practical video like this. Okay, so you have to just everything clear. And now we once again tell about the this is the only reading video, and After that I will provide a explanation video one by one, those you can understand easily. So thank you, have a nice day.